in the power series expansion of 5x plus 6 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x. Specify the region in which the expansion is valid. In which the expansion is valid. So actually, to solve this problem, we want some properties in binomial theorem. Some properties of partial fractions. First, I discuss about those formulas of binomial theorem. For example, some 1 minus x. Just formulas I will discuss. 1 minus x whole power minus 1. And 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 minus x whole power minus 2. 1 plus x whole power minus 2. How to get this expansion? I will explain in binomial theorem comfortably. But just I will give you formula in this chapter. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 means 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on plus x power r. X power r means r plus 1th term plus and so on infinity. 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 minus x. We get the same expansion, but in place of minus x we have plus x here. Plus and minus comes alternative. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus and so on plus minus 1 whole power r, x power r and so on infinity. Next 1 minus x whole power minus 2. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on plus r plus 1 into x power r plus and so on infinity. But the difference between these two is plus and minus comes alternative. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube and so on plus minus 1 whole power r into r plus 1 into x power r plus and so on infinity. But all these are, one more formulas are there. 1 minus x whole power minus 3, 1 plus x whole power minus 3. But in this chapter, these formulas are enough. But detailing how to get these formulas, how to get these expansions, I will explain in binomial theorem. But these all are infinite expansions. The above expansions are valid. The above expansions are valid when mod x less than 1. Mod x less than 1. So one more formula is given to you. Mod x less than a means we get minus a less than x less than a. Mod x less than a means we get minus a less than x, minus a less than x less than a. How to get this mod x less than a as minus a less than x less than a? Simple. So mod x less than a is there. Mod x means plus or minus x less than a. That means one is minus x less than a and another one is x less than a. So you multiply with minus on both sides, x greater than minus a. If any inequality is multiplied with minus, less than becomes greater than becomes less than. Minus x greater than minus a. So when you come, this one write as minus a less than x. When you compare these two, minus a less than x, x less than a, by transitive law, we get minus a less than x less than a. So mod x less than a implies minus a less than x less than a. This is proof for that one. So we discussed the formulas. Whatever the formulas required to this problem, we discussed. Now come to the problem. Find the coefficient of x cube in the power series expansion of this one. Okay. First, take the fraction 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 into 1 minus 6. First, you convert this fraction into partial fractions. We have procedure. Long method is there and shortcut method is there. Okay. So I use the shortcut method. Here x plus 2 plus here 1 minus 6. So we want the constant of this place. X plus 2 means x is equal to minus 2. Substitute x equal to minus 2 in this fraction except this place. 5 into minus 2 plus 6 divided by 1 minus half minus 2. If the factor is 1 minus 6, that means x value 1. Okay, except this place. 5 into 1 plus 6 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, now 5 into minus 2, minus 10 plus 6, minus 4 divided by 3, whole divided by x plus 2. Next, here 1 minus x, 5 plus 6, 11 by 3. So, minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2, we write this as 2 plus x, no problem, plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus 6. So, conversion of partial fraction is over. Here, minus 4 by 3 into 2 also taking as common, we get 1 plus x by 2. 1 plus x by 2 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus 6. These two ones, 2 2's cancel. Minus 2 by 3. This 1 plus x by 2 move to top. We get 1 plus x by 2 power minus 1 plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x power minus 1. Already we discussed one formula in this video. That formula is 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. Similarly, 1 plus x whole power minus 1 is equal to same expansion but plus minus comes alternative. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. And so on. So as per that formula, we write like minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 1. That means we use the second formula. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x whole power x by 2 whole power minus 1. 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Already we discussed some formulas. One formula is 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 means 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube like that. Another formula 1 minus x whole power minus 1. 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on like that. Minus 2 by 3. This is the first formula. Plus minus comes alternatively. 1 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 power minus 1 minus x by 2 power 1 minus x by 2 plus x by 2 whole square minus x by 2 whole cube plus and so on infinity. At the same time plus 11 by 3 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This is direct formula. 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on infinity. So now we want coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is equal to here minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Here x by 2 whole cube. That means x cube coefficient minus 1 by 2 cube. Minus 1 by 2 cube means this one. Plus 11 by 3. Here x cube coefficient 1. So minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 8. Plus 11 by 3. 2 ones, 2 4s. So this is 1 by 12 plus 11 by 3. So LCM is 36. No, 12. Here 1 plus 3 cancel 44. Finally 45 by 12. So coefficient of x cube is equal to 15 by 3 is coefficient of x cube. So one part is over. But so another question is also there in this one. What is the other question? So first you find coefficient of x cube in the power. After that specify the region in which the expansion is valid. Already we discussed in this problem. In formula, binomial theorem formula. To exist the infinite expansions, mod x less than 1. Here in the mod x place, in the mod x place, x by 2. So to validate the expansion mod x by 2 less than 1 implies mod x less than 2 implies minus 2 less than x less than 2. This is one. Second expansion, 1 minus x. Directly mod x less than 1 implies minus 1 less than x less than 1. This is 2. Take one line. This is graphical result. Minus infinity to plus infinity. We have the numericals minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2. So minus 2 is at here. Minus 1 is right side. 1 is right side of minus 1. 2 is here. What is first inequality? Minus 2 less than x less than 2. Minus 2 less than x less than 2. That means from here to here. This is inequality 1. Second, minus 1 to 1. This means this is second equation. So both curves or both values are common values at here. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. Expansion is valid when minus 1 less than x less than 1. Next problem, in the same method, next problem. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in the power series expansion of 3x square plus 2x by x square plus 2 into x minus 3, specifying the region in which the expansion is valid. The same model question, but in this question we have 3 steps are there. The first one is conversion of partial fractions. Second one, find the coefficient of x power 4. Third one, when the expansion is valid. So these 3 are the parts in the problem. So first we discuss about how to convert the partial fractions. Okay. 3x square plus 2x divided by x square plus 2 into. Once you observe, in the denominator there is a irreducible second degree factor is there. Irreducible second degree factor. So how we can find partial fraction? Means x square plus 2 is there. For this ax plus b by x square plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So this one. Take LCM right side. 3x square plus 2x divided by x square plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to, here LCM is x square plus 2 into x minus 3. This is ax plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x square plus 2. These two are cancelled. Next, 3x square plus 2x is equal to ax plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x square plus 2. One factor is there, x minus 3. X minus 3. From this, substitute x equal to 3 in the above. 3 into 3 square plus 2 into 3 is equal to a into 3 plus b into 0 plus c into 3 square plus 2. Okay, 3 square is 9, 9 is 27 plus 2 3 are 6. This entire is 0, 0 plus 9 plus 2. 3 square is 9, 9 plus 2, 11c. So 11c is equal to 33 implies c is equal to 3. One value, we get the one value. Okay. So there is no other route to substitute. Only x minus 3 is there. X minus 3 is there. From that we find the value of c. No problem. Then take comparison. So in this equation, you take comparison. First, coefficient of x square. So in the left side, x square coefficient is 3. Here ax into ax square, coefficient is a, plus cx square, coefficient is c. 3 is equal to a plus 3 because c is 3. 3 cancel, a 0, a value 0. So one more value is made here. Already you got a value and c value. Next b value. For that, coefficient of constants. Compare constants. In this equation, left side there is no constant value. So that means this is 0. Here constants. When you get constant, multiply the constant with constant. B into minus 3. This is minus 3b. C into 2. 2c. So 0 is equal to minus 3b plus 2 into c means 3. Minus 3b send to left side. 3b is equal to 6. B value 2. B value 2. Okay, next b value 2. So substitute this a value, b value, c value in this equation. 3x square plus 2x divided by 3x square plus 2x divided by x square plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to. So what is ax plus b? A is 0. 0 into x. 0 into x plus b 2 divided by x square plus 2. Next c by x minus 3. C means 3 by x minus 3. So one part is 0. Conversion of partial fraction is completed. Next we write as expansion. So this is equal to 2 by x square plus 2. Take 2 as common. When 2 take as common, we get 1 plus x square by 2. 2 common, 1 x square by 2 plus 3 by x minus 3. Take minus 3 as common. When minus 3 take as common, minus 3 means 1 minus x by 3. Minus x by 3. Okay. Next, that is equal to, here 2 to cancel, 1 plus x square by 2 send to top, 1 plus x square by 2 power minus 1. Here 3 cancel, this plus into minus, 1 minus x by 3 power minus 1, because this 1 minus x by 3 send to top side, we get minus, power minus. Now we use two formulas. Already we explained in a previous problem. If you want, I will write once again. So the formulas are 1 plus x whole power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. Plus minus comes alternately. Another one, 1 minus x whole power minus 1, 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on comes alternately. So like that, 1 plus x square by 2 power minus 1. This means this first formula. Okay, this first formula. But in place of x, there is x square by 2. So we write that 1 minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 whole square minus x square by 2 whole cube plus and so on infinity. Here 1 plus, minus and plus both are equal. So we get all positive, but in place of x, there is x by 3. 1 plus x by 3, x by 3 whole square, x by 3 whole cube, x by 3 whole power 4, and so on. Now we want coefficient of x power 4. Constant x square whole square x power 4. And this means 1 by 2 square. Here 1 by 2 square is there. Minus this minus x power 4 coefficient 1 by 3 power 4. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 81. LCM is 4 into 81. 81 minus 4. What is 81 minus 4? 77. 77 divided by 4 ones 4. This is 324. 77 by 324. Okay. Now, to validate the expansion, we have used the formula mod x less than a, mod x less than 1. In place of x, x square by 2. That means x square by 2, mod x square by 2 less than 1 implies mod x square less than 2. That implies mod x less than root 2 implies minus root 2 less than x less than root 2. This is an equation 1. Second one, from this, modulus of x by 3 less than 1. Mod x less than 3. That implies minus 3 less than x less than 3. It is an equation 2. So, these two are representing on one curve. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. First here minus 3, 3. Minus 3 is here. 3 is here. Minus 3, 3. This is in equation 2. Next, minus root 2, root 2. Minus root 2 roughly at here. Root 2 roughly at here. These two. This is an equation 1. So, this is the common value. Common value means minus root 2 less than x less than root 2. Therefore, the expansion is valid when minus root 2 less than x less than root 2.